Lisa here. Hey, it's time for part 2 of our Winter Birds junk journal that we've started. And in part 1, I was showing you about how we bound the book and how I put the signatures in and all that. And I've come up with some ideas of what we're going to do today with the starting of doing our new junk journal. And first off, what I want to show you real quick is the color scheme and the papers that I've decided to use for this book. I'll show you what I've come up with. Okay, these are the colors that I've come up with to use, and you know, they're greens and blues and some beiges and stuff, and I thought these would look really nice in this journal. And also, I went through and got some bird pictures that I had, and what I'd like to try to use up some of these pictures in here in this journal somewhere. And some of these I got out of some books and some different things, and some I got, you know, some kits and stuff. And here's some more papers actually. And so, you know, some different stuff, different bird pictures and some cards and different things. Now, I'm not going to say I'm going to use every one of these, but I would like to try to put these in my winter journal, my winter birds journal. And I have not gone through my DigiKits and tried to copy any pictures of birds for my digis, because my printer is low on ink, and so I needed to get some ink, and now I got ink, but I just haven't had time to do it. So I'm gonna get busy and start doing that pretty soon here. And okay, so anyway, oh, these I thought was really cute. I cut out these pictures and I cut them in the shape of a stamp, and I thought those would look really cute somehow in there. It's really cute. I love birds, by the way. They're my favorite. And so, okay. And then, of course, I have some books, you know, that I'm going to look through and get some ideas and stuff. So, all right. So for today, I think what we're going to do on today is I'm going to go ahead and make a pocket on each side of the front inside cover and the back inside cover. So I'm going to make 2 pockets, and I picked out the papers I think I like to use, and these right here, I like these. They're really good. I'm going to go ahead and put these, set these aside, get these out of my way here. It's over here. And so I'm still been kind of coming up with an idea of how to do these pockets, and usually when I do these videos I like to come up with kind of an idea before I really start it, so that I'm not just kind of going crazy of what an idea, you know, coming up with an idea on the spot. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a pocket that's going to fit in this spot right here. And I want it to fold over on the edges. So I like this pocket here. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and make it a little bigger all around the edges. I'm going to make it a little bigger on each side of this book, probably an inch, half an inch bigger on each side. So I'm going to go with about right here. And I'm going to start cutting it right there at this line that I marked right here. And so put that aside, get out my scissors, and I'm going to cut it. I got these little dots on this paper, which is a good little guideline for me to cut on. this measures in my book and make sure it's right side up, because you know you'd hate to get started and have it the wrong way. Okay. Alright, now I'm gonna just take it, let me see, and I'm gonna cut it about 1 inch long too. Here. Cut it. Now, you know, I'm not doing perfect measurements, and you know, if you guys want to do measurements, you could always do that too. So if you can see how I did this, I got it to where it's, here's the part that I want, and I made it just like a 1/2 inch bigger on each side here, and also a 1/2 inch bigger on the bottom too. So I'm going to go ahead and fold. I'm going to eyeball it, and I'm going to fold. Let me see one thing real quick here. Okay, yeah, I want it this side up. So I'm going to go ahead and fold it about 1 inch in from the bottom up, like that. And then I'm going to unfold it, and then I'm going to fold it in. I'm going to eyeball it, and I'm just going to fold it in for about 1/2 inch, probably in, like that, maybe between 1/4 and 1/2. And then on this side too, and then I'm going to see how it fits inside the book. Okay. Alright. So what I'm making here is my pocket. It's going to be about that size. So let's see how, if it's, it might be a little big. I'm not sure yet. Let's see. Oh, and it matches perfect. It matches perfect. Okay. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, that's, you know, it's a little big. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. I think it needs to be just a little bit smaller. So I'm going to fold it in, especially the sides. The bottom, I think, can stay the same. I think it's fine. So I'm just going to go in probably another little 1/8 of an inch in. Just a little bit more. So it looks like a 1/2 inch probably that you go in. And I'm just going to add just a tiny bit more in. This is the fun about creating, is that you can change your mind at any moment. Now I want to see how the sides look on this now. Okay. Oh, that looks good. That looks good. Looks like there's a little bit of wiggle room there, like that. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and fold this part up too. And so now I'm going to, let me see how I do this now. Okay, I'm going to go in and I'm going to just trim the corners, each corner, just like this. And I'm going to cut this little part off too, on each end. Cut this off. Okay, and then I'm going to fold that up. I'm going to glue these two little parts together here, here, and here. And I'm going to fold that up right there. Just like this. Okay. I'm going to make a V on the corner here. I'm going to wait till this dries a little bit, and then I'm going to cut it. Okay. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to join both of these corners together, just really lightly, and then I'm going to cut a V from here, and I'm going to just go right down to there, to the fold, from the edge of the paper to the fold, and then creates a V like that. And then it's going to just glue right in there. So I wanted to add a little something to this real quick while I got it here. wanted to add either some lace or some of a doily that I got. Maybe a doily, part of a doily. Okay. And this, I'm thinking about making the doily so it sticks out a little bit from the opening of the envelope. And I'm going to just go ahead and just cut a little piece off of here. I'm going to cut. And about putting it under here, just so the top sticks out a little bit from here to here. I think that looks kind of cute. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue it. I'm going to glue it down, and I'm going to just, I'm going to glue it on the sides here. Put a little glue on each side. On that side, and over here, this side. And then I'm going to cut the doily so that it fits better on here. I'm just going to put a little bit on like that. Okay. And then you know what sticks out a little bit? I want it to come in a little bit more, so I'm going to bring it in a little bit more. Just going to unglue it. Not a problem to unglue it. It's not even going to be a big deal. Okay. I just need to look at it this way. Okay. I'm going to make sure that it's going to fit on here and just have a little bit of this in it, under it like that. Okay, that looks good. Okay. So, I'm going to go ahead and cut here. I'm going to hold this with my clips for a minute here, and then I'm going to cut the edge here. Okay. And that's what I want it to look like. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and glue this down here. And cut some more off of it right here, so it's not a lot of bulk in here. Alright. Cut. And then I'm going to put some glue on here to hold the sides down. Like that. And over here. And then I'm wondering if this is just going to, what it will do, if it will just lay in there. I'm going to go ahead and glue this part down too. Because I don't want it I want it to make sure that it's going to stay down. Okay, I'm going to do that. That looks cute. Looks really cute. Okay. It looks like a shirt with a little lace shirt underneath it. It reminds me of. Okay. And I'm going to put that there, but first I'm going to ink it. A little bit of ink. I'm going to use my vintage photo. And I'm going to just ink around the edges of here. So yeah, so how's everybody doing? I hope you guys are doing great, as usual. I've been really busy at work. They're moving me into another area, and I'm learning how to do another area that I haven't done before. Well, maybe a couple times, but it's been good. It's been really good. I've been really busy, and it's been good. So, all right, just ink these up. And now I'm wondering, I don't think I want to ink the white part. I kind of like it white. I kind of like it white. It looks kind of good. So I'm going to just try to ink this without getting it on there, you know. Okay, like that. All right. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue this down. This is sticking out. I'm going to pull that off. There we go. All right, I'm going to go ahead glue this down on here. And yeah, did everybody survive the holidays? Oh my goodness. It was fun, but you know what? I'm glad it's over. I've been doing some heavy duty purging, getting rid of a lot of stuff. Organizing and getting rid of stuff that I don't need, don't want, don't use. And it's been taking me some time, but it's been good. It's been good to get rid of some stuff, and it's very freeing actually to do that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put this on here, if you can see this. There. Go. Put some clips on here. You know how me with my clips. And this is going to go here. Alright. Go ahead and hold that on there. Okay. So there's that. Do. Here's a little bird picture. Don't know what I want to do with that yet. But I want that on there. And then on the back page, we're gonna make another one of these, but it's gonna be opening up on this side. It's gonna be opening up this way instead of the top. So it's gonna be opposite. So we're gonna go ahead and take this off, and then I'm gonna go to the back of here, the other page. And this one, I'm going to use this paper here. I'm going to use 2 different papers on this one. So this one is pretty much the same way that I did the other one. Get a little bit bigger, like this. Eyeball it. This is what the other side of this is. This is the front side, and that's the back side. Okay, that one's gonna go like this, and then this I want to be about this far out. Okay, now I'm gonna start folding this in too. And this is, I want these sides to be folded in, and this to be open, I believe. I want that side open. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and fold it. Okay. Let's see here. There we go. Definitely cool. Okay. And this part we're just going to glue right down. And then, let's see, I want to make this. Some people ask me, why don't you use your paper cutter? Well, I don't know why. I just like to do it by hand. It's, for me, it's therapeutic for me to do it by hand. I just like doing it by hand. Okay, so this is going to go here. I'm going to make a V on here. Making sure that it's, you want to do from the edge in, because I've done this before where I did the opposite instead of how I wanted it to go. And so, there it is. And that will go right here, just like that. And I'm also going to use my doily, get my doily, and make it look the same as the other one, as far as having this on here. Let's see here. Like that. Wow, there's a lot of extra. Okay. And then hold this together cut off the excess. Okay. Let's see how this is looking. Oh yes, it's looking good. Looking really good. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and glue that down. Hold it. Hold it with my fingers right here to keep it straight. Down there. Put this back on here. Hold it. All right. Okay. All right. I'm gonna hold this on here for a little bit till that dries, and I'm gonna ink this up too. All right. Oh boy. They say that we're supposed to get snow this Sunday. It could snow, but I don't know if it's snow here. Probably up higher up it will. But I don't think here. Take this off for now. And then I'm going to keep this white again. I think I like that. How that is. And go in here very carefully. It's hard to do. I should have done it before I put this on, but it's, you know, it's fine. Okay, got that. Oh, and then these, I'm going to trim these off a little bit because I want this to be so that it's not, it kind of helps with the bulk of it. So, okay, and that those both fold in, and then I'm gonna go ahead and glue these too, these little flaps. And then I'm gonna glue just this part down. Okie dokie. Alright, this right here. Like that. Okay. These clips on for a little bit. Then I'm going to show you how this is going to work. Okay, so now how these are going to work is we're going to make tags. But you're going to put your tag in here, right through there like that. Okay, it's going to go right past the lace, and here you can't really put anything in here. Fit right at the back and through here. You can also put, you know, paper and stuff, you know, any kind of notes or extra notes or whatever you want to put in there, you can put in there. And then this one is going to work like this. Like that. And we'll come up with some ideas of how to make tags for it and stuff. And okay, so we got this going on, and we got the front going on, and it slides in pretty good. I must say. Oh, now it's not. This fits. A smaller tag would fit in better than that one does. Okay, So anyway, guys, that's what we're going to do. That's all I'm going to do today. And, you know, I might add maybe a bird picture on each one of these. I'm not sure yet. I'm really not sure what I want to do. But I might just keep them plain. I think they look good even plain, actually, honestly. But, okay, well, that was a quick and easy, very easy project. And so then next time when we get together, I'm going to do more. I'm going to start to decorate these pages here with some different things and different colors or whatever we want to do. Here's our colors, and we can just play around with them and decide what we're going to do, you know, with it. So it's pretty cool. Let's see. Oh, that fits in there. Okay. Anyways, that was pretty much what I'm going to do today, guys. I didn't have a whole lot prepared, but we're going to do that. And again, on this page here, I might do something with some type of lace on this one for tomorrow or the next day. I'm going to come up with an idea. I'm not really sure what I want to do right now. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much what we're going to do today. And so that is it of part 2. We will be back tomorrow or the next day for part 3. And trying to find my... So guys, make sure that you give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. Subscribe and leave a comment. And I would just be it'd be so awesome to read your comments. And so thank you guys, and I will see you later. I will either see you tomorrow or the next day with part 3. Okay, thanks. Bye.